8, please. So our Q&A is a debate. So, mapapag-topic sila kung sino ang magdaog sa topic, maka-choose una sa choices. And among the choices, they will justify nga amo na ang ilang ipili. Na topic ang magawa, please. Sige na, let's go. Topic.
Sila.
So the winner is candidate number 8. You will choose between lava o kontako. Again, you will choose between lava or dako. Naada po. Okay, we will have a timer for the debate.
15 seconds lang po, no? 15 seconds. 15 seconds lang.
Okay, so each candidate will have to justify 15 seconds. Again? Okay, so right now we will give the candidates 20 seconds to justify their answers. So, candidate number 8 chose.
Question number 1, lava or dako?
Let's give her the space and time. Okay. Once matambalan ang ito, candidate na naman start ang ato na timer.
Why I choose dako? Kaya ako mismo, dako ang ako ng pagpalangan sa ugalingon ko. Kahit mas pili ako dako, kaya mas masatisfy ko ang dako, kaysa ang dako, compare sa laba. Kaya laba, ang ipres, ang masatisfy.
Common sense, di ba?
Open up about sa pangabuhi. So, i-open up about sa pangabuhi. So, paano mo na ano mo na ba ang kabuhi? Kung hindi ka masatisfy, gaginanan mo sa dako. Nga pa, dako ka part, dako ka pang pangalipay, dako nga chance nga pag may namin ang ibo pangabuhi. Ano yung pinakay pangabuhi ko? Oo, tungkol.
So, kung kaya ka ito sa Christmas ball, ang libo halaran.
So thank you so much, number 1 and number 8 for that wonderful answer. Now let's proceed to candidate number 3 and 7. Rain Joyce Bermejo, it's your turn.
Sa inyo, Beno Pilionyo, lava or dako? Answer sa comment.
It's your turn to shine, sis.
Hello. May I have your attention please? Requesting sa kanya mga attendees natin, proceed na sa inyo table ay. Later, na picture taking. Ang ginanda siya karon, siya dahil siya. Pamati, focus kaya wala na di, focus sa akin. Thank you.
Let's proceed with candidate number 4. You will play pink first.
Go, Jasmine!
Bato, pink. So you will choose between Kawatan, Ukon, Butigon. What will you choose?
Butigon.
So candidate number 4 gets the Kawatan.
Go, Jasmine! Si Danny! Si Danny!
Ay, pili ko Butigon. Isa akin na lang kung pinutoy ko sa kamay sa sitwasyon sa tanan. Parang may may arayan sa tinti, nga, alala, nilagit sa mata ko, kinalang kong pinutoy. For example, naligarilyo ka. Ako, ang balik pa, papakasigod kami niligarilyo, kinalang kong pinutoy ko para lang hindi ka makasiguan sa iyong mga amay.
Question number 2, Kawatan or Butigon?
Mas lauay ang kawatan ka na tao. Kaya yung kawatan ka, ako sa kawatan, Butigon. Kaysa tumagal sa parang hindi mahawat sa ano. So, dapat hindi na mahawat sa isip na tao ka. At lauay, malam na ating mahawat.
Isa sa mga oras, total tao, isa, hindi na pinagawa ng pangawat dahil, diba? Kung manakasaga pangawat, palis mo na sa Butigon, actually. Sana nila sila, kisa, hindi ka magambang ako, hindi ko na mga, kaya perfecto sa kalibutan, dahil ang Butigon, yun siya dahil, hindi ka mapinuti, hindi ka mangawat, hindi ka Butigon.
Ikaw na nag-mismo nagambay na hindi na perfecto, kaya na natin mag-Butigon, di ba? Right or not? Right or not? Sabahan ang ulam na.
Number 4 and number 7. Alright, so let's call on our Miss Gay candidates number 5 and number 6 to please proceed on stage.
Okay, bato, pink ka mo ganay. Bato, pink. Again, bato, pink. Candidate number 5 will choose first. So the choices are Tiga, Ukon, Humo. Tiga, Ukon, Humo.
Pipili ko ang mo, kaya pa, ang imo, naging puso, mo sa mga tao. Pero mga huli, bago patiga ka, kumisa lang sa ibang tao, dapat patawaron mo kaya may hubo ka mga naging puso ko.
Guys, let's play bato topic first. Bato topic.
Hindi mo po yan.
Bato topic. Okay. Bato topic. So the choices are ikaw, ukon, ako. The choices are ikaw, ukon, ako. What is your choice? Ako. So the question is requested by ikaw yung choice. Ang pag-ibig!
Ang trade sila nga, pag-debatihan, ikaw at ako, ang pamangkot. Sino ang mas laway? Hello, ang ginagawa niyo pagdiskusyonan, ang ginagawa kung ang pamangkot nga sino ang mas laway? Ako o kung ikaw? Ibimensahan mo na yung ginagawa. Ako, kung yung ay ka, ibimensahan mo. Hello.
Hello, good evening everyone. Yung pili ko ako law ay, kay confident ka, basta law ay, kaya okay, hindi na okay, diba? Basta law ay, kaya iba, kung ginikanan ko, ikaw yan.
Malamang na ay ka.
Una,
Malamang na ay ka. Kung ilang stay ko kasama mo po, hindi mo punta. Kitang-kita sa itsura. Nalagtan niya mo sa Spider, kabalo, ganyan ka na. Guwapa.
o bakit duman nga law ay ko, pero musta ka ang mo, una yung musta, kung na nakasay na yung karn patay-patay ka. Una ay kaya mistake na kung mo, mo yung patay.
Tayo na po, yung dalawa ni Tatay Junior. Dito, ako na ako.
feisty mga candidates in their debate with the different topics that were given to them. So I hope na nag-enjoy ka mo. And for the results, we will be sharing it with you later on. So for the meantime, girls,
We are going to request, please, Miss Thea and Sir Carlo for an intermission number.
once again, Miss Bea and Sir Carlo for the intermission number.
This is something new. Shot and see. And this time, we're gonna get funky. Now it's time to get funky again.
Yeah, very energetic. Okay. Grabe, once again, malakpakan tabi si Miss Thea and Sir Carlo for that energetic and amazing performance. Like, hindi basta talento sa kurangay din halaran na. Correct? Correct? Abi, energy check na nanay, Ari. Well, sige. Sige, sige. Go. Sige, when I say trigo, you say halaran. Trigo! O, kanina, wala. So, wala ka pa niya. O, diba, trigo! Ay, wala. Nagilan sa swat na, tulong.
Sige, ganun na lang kumagawin sa right side. When I say tribo, you say halalan. Tribo! Halalan! Very correct. Nakapaniakon, give sila.
Doon sa dokta. Alright, so, nonetheless, still congratulations for everyone. And at this point, Sergio Ben Alisao, you will be sharing a message.
Okay na na. Hindi na magsawag kay Tigulan. Okay. Sige na, okay na na. Kasunod lang na. So, may nakabot ko Doy, B-Boy, Karens, Buko. So again, may gabi sa tanan, Katrigo Halaran. First and foremost, may gabi, nagpasalamatan tagit. Ang wala man isubong ato na konsihal, Top 2 Lopez. Sabi pa lang makata si konsihal, Lopez. And of course, ato na teacher woman, Marjorie, very supportive. Parang si Marjorie. Si Tita Salumi, pagkakagawad ka sa Lumidia Dio. And of course, Sir Kenneth. Gin-invite ko si Sir Kenneth, subong gabi, itong mga. Not because of it, isa sa mga nag-critic sa aton, kaya kung hindi tungod sa iya, siguro wala kita na first turner-out. Correct man? Baka huli ni Sir Kenneth. And of course, ang mga bisita, galing sa Manila. Sir, may gab, Sir Ryan, may gab nice meeting you. And of course, si Madam Roxanne, akong barangay treasurer, kay during Tansinay Festival, they are very supportive. Sa tanang-tanang na kinanglanon, kati bala kapaloha mo na kung ano ginayon sa barangay, ara gidayon. So, napasalamatan naman si Kap July, na wala isubong. Thank you so much. Most especially, ako ipasalamatan si Baknoy. Abi ba na makati si Baknoy? Not because of Baknoy, wala kita isubong Christmas ball. This is the first time na natapos sa ginalaran ng Christmas ball. So, guys, excuse me. Guys, i-share ko lang niha ng nalipay yung katama. Actually, November, I think, Baknoy, November, hindi ko palanuhan ng Christmas ball. Si Baknoy, for me ka communicate sa akon kung madayon ng Christmas ball. Si Kudayon nun, as long as my sponsors, my donors, kita, kay para magtipon-tipon kaliwat. Not only every kansila, ilang per magtipon-tipon. So that's why si Baknoy, si Kuba, ikaw na bahala, kay Sako, kaya sa workshop, para sa fiesta, ikaw na bahala, kabalo, ka na kay Google, ka na organize. So, again, Baknoy, congratulations for this very successful Christmas ball. So, I am very, Begin. Always remember, guys, subong kay bata pa ka mo, kasakot ka mo, ginaano niyo yung talent, always remember, palaga ang craft nga ara sa inyo. Palaga agin. Not all the time, ara na kamo sa barangay, ginalaran. Always guwa sa inyong comfort zone kung diin ka mo nakagabagay. Basta, okay lang mag-inunto, okay lang maginagaw, but as long as namin ang produkto sa inyo ang craft na ginanghatag sa tao, okay lang ginayang. But always remember, there's no place like home. That's why, biskan di ino ko yung makato, biskan sa Morsha ka kuya, I am very proud to be a product of Ginhalalan. So, always remember, palangga, Lexter, Damon Isawong Lexter, Ashley, choreographers, Brian, special mention, RJ, Neil, Danica, sa pagiging katulog, always remember, guwa sa comfort zone, hindi ang baka permit, don't settle sa okay lang. Dapat the best. Ha? Kaya hindi sa tagal na oras, arang kami ni Bakloy sa Ginhalara na all the time, amol ni edad namon, kamo na natin masunod na henerasyon sa amon. That's why, i-pursue palangga. And thank you mga Sir Carl Bisonya, the choreographer of Barangay Rizal, na nag-entertain sa akin. So, thank you so much, sir. Again and again, and congratulations kay Dominic. That's why, kapag kuya, lain, tsaka naman ni Dominic, hindi nakatin ay, lain ang tayo sa kinala. Look at Dominic. Dominic is a ginawa ko in Intercontinental. So, he is bringing the name of barangay. That's why, wala baylo ang kanami sa feeling once nga dala mo ang ginhalaran sa inutunghan sa utok mo. Guys, ang ako, let's enjoy the rest of the night and always remember, palangga alagin ang craft na ginapalangga mo. Kaya wala agad dyan makapaganda sa inyo. Okay? Again, may nabi, isa na lang. Pasalamatan, nagigyan si Councilor Tute, si Bakloy, si Tita Lynn, nag-sponsor. Thank you so much, Talin. Galata sa si Talin. Kasi Talin sponsors. Personally, ako, without Kap Tute, without Bakloy, and Gerald, so kung si Gerald wala ni Sumong. Pero, we are in good terms ni Gerald, Bakloy, and Kap Tute. Kung wala tungod sila, wala Joel Alitaw. Nga na choreographer. Sa salig nila, sa ila kapagpalangga sa akon, gaginaway makami, pero ang ila salig sa akon. That's why, last 2015, Baknoy, Gerald, Kaptute. That's why, bisang lang inano, doon hindi kayo pagbiyaan na ginalaran, kaya palangga, kaya ang ginalaran. So again, Merry Christmas everyone, and let's enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
Wonderful, heartwarming message. And maybe also request SK Chairwoman Ms. Marjorie Sola for another message.
Once again, our SK Chairperson, Ms. Marjorie Sola, for her message. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Okay, everyone, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. So I would like to say, madam, sa pagkanto sa mga party at sa party. So inyo niya party. So kami sa Barangay Council and SK Council, kami sa mga sponsors, it's a way of giving back man sa inyo kung ano ang deserve nyo man sa sining gabi. So deserve na may magpakuha pa. Deserve nyo yung panamig namin sa bayo. Kag-deserve nyo din palagaw na pinagpaugalingan. Correct? So now, as a SK chairperson sa ating barangay, isa ito kaprodukto. Tsaka ito ginahamba nila ang ginhalaran, alagin ang tanan na talento, kaalam sa barangay ginhalaran. So namin, bigyan ang palangga kaysa sa kaginhalaran. Correct? Kaya paano kung nagkaginhalaran, so namin, bigyan po magpapalangga sa iya. So now, this This is daw ang way ini nga magbalik-bala ang band sa isa ka dancers, sa isa ka taga-binanaran. Ninamihan dito maglantaw nga ang mga taga-binanaran is araw idya, gasyain idya kutiin ka mo. So, thank you din sa advice ni Jobel na hindi na mag-settle sa inyong comfort zone. Yes, every sa ato ang kapuhin, may mga struggles kita yan. So may mga learnings at may mga lesson ina. So hindi naman magkalimtan ang sasabaw. Siya hindi na niya ang naging instrumento kung paano ka nanilalanay tungkol sa ato niya, talento sa pagsabaw. So, gabay pa, nga hindi ka mo mag-settle lang sa magaling lang sa comfort zone niyo. Buwak ka mo nga mag-choreo, buwak ka mo ipakita nyo hindi na sa kinalaran, kundi sa bilo nga kalibutan ng inyong mga talento pagkaalam. Pasalamatan, lagi ng Ginoo, kaiya may natanan. Without Him, we are nothing. So, pasalamatan, lagi ng tanan-tanan, pwede naman pala na inyong kapal na magrawin niya sa lahat. Yes. And sa takot ng mga MC, thank you so much din sa pag-showcase niyo man, sa inyong talento. Hindi lang po rin sa pageantry, sa hosting, galaban ng kamo. So, sa mga staff din sa ating mga bisita, thank you for coming in. Happy ko, naging part ko sa Christmas ball sa Halalan. So, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
Thank you so much, SK Chairperson, for that inspiring and insightful message. And to Sir Joven as well. And nang labay ko lang, I just have to agree with what they said earlier. Nga laing magiging ang talento sa barangay Ginalaran because we are not called the home of the champions for nothing. Imagine, within this whole year, we were able to produce different champions from different categories. Like we have Wincy, Linaisang Halaran, Linaisang Silay who represented Barangay Halaran, and Juan Linaisang Turismo, and me. I represented Barangay Halaran sa Lakansang Silay, and I won third runner-up and also Lakansang Turismo, and also to our dancer si Mother, nag-champion, to our, what else? Our dancers, ang hip-hop, nag-champion man. And of course, ang aton nga Tribo Halaran nga first runner-up sa street dancing competition. So, abi palakpakan natin nga sa tumutulong na palakpakan. Ang pinalagi ko no, great? Alright, that's great. Okay, girls.
So now, let's proceed to our last set of winners for our raffle.
Sino excited mataog?
Sino ayan ang apat na maswerte na winners? Hindi nga ganti.
Okay, so I have here with me the first lucky winner. Okay, so nag-i-stage siya guys. Wait lang. For our first lucky winner, worth 200,000 pesos, she is none other than Miss Roxanne Bienes. Wala nila palakpak. Roxanne Bienes ang ating treasurer. Congratulations, ma'am. Requesting, sinong kakapyot sa kwarta? Hindi na pati bulsa. Okay, so ma'am, you can just receive your cash prize later. Magpagaling tayo, ang picture lang na muna. Congratulations! Please claim your prize lang sa kanyang baknoy.
Our second winner is Miss Lindsay J. Punta.
Lagi na palakpak.
Wala ka na palakpak? Ano ang 2 million mo? Wala ka na rin.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Roxanne from Julie Tosha. Buencochillo.
For our third lucky winner, he is none other than Mr. Charles Kevin Voluptate. Congratulations, please come in front.
Subo ba?
Congratulations once again. Okay, so he's actually the last lucky winner now.
So that's all for tonight. Marami sila mga nagdaon sa atong raffle.
Congratulations once again. So at this point, we will be given another intermission number. This time, coming from the original dancers of Tribu Halaran. Let's call them to please come in front. Masao, pag sila buwikit, guys. Ang wala kang buwikit. Hasta na 2025. Once again, let's call on the original dancers of Tribu Halaran for their intermission number.
Let's give them a round of applause.
Congrats, baby ko, Charles Kevin Bolan. Tate, Marinate. Roxanne, congrats, baby ko. From the original Halaran dancers, ma-intermission number. Yun sila man.
Once again, the original dancers of Tribu Halaran.
Okay, so while we are waiting for our original dancers, let's start up the music. Okay, agad na.
Doon ka sadya.
Okay, grabe. Ito very talented, energetic, and kasadya sa mga original dancers, ang Tribo Alaran. So at this point, guys, para hindi man wala makakadto sa inusikal ang inyong mag-prepare, especially with your outfits, your makeups, and everything. We actually prepared you guys 3 head turners, one from the guy, one from the girl, and one from our trans friends. There you have it.
So, for our trans
Ang rice
friends,
na isa ka sa kora.
the head turner is...
Who do you think, guys? Sino ang head turner? Ano ba lang makaano, gate, makaagaw attention, di ba sa crowd, wala ang tulog, kung siya yan siya gila ang stand out.
Grabe ang energy.
Who do you think?
Our head turner for our trans friends is Miss Danica Franco.
Congratulations! Please come in front.
Our first head turner is Miss Danica Franco.
And for the winner, guys, they will be receiving a cash prize worth 200,000 pesos.
Ay, dali lang sa pagkakas.
Congratulations!
Of course, hindi niyo matulakan sa the girls category. Our head turner sa girls category is none other than Rachel Day Guillermo. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Wala gila palakpak. Congratulations, Miss! Congratulations, Miss. Please stay here now. And of course, to the male category for head turner. He is none other than Mr. Lay Upside. Congratulations. Congratulations. So pwede ka maglalay ka pa for the last picture taking. May we request the presence of our SK chairperson, Miss Marge, and to our choreographer, Mr. Joe and Anitao, for the picture taking. Please come here in front. Once again, requesting the presence of SK chairperson, Miss Marge Sola, and choreographer, Mr. Joe and Anitao, to please come in front for the picture taking.
One, two, three.
Thank you so much and congratulations once again. So at this point, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of our Board of Judges for tonight's Miss Gay 2022 to please come in front for the picture taking. Mr. Kenneth Lacson, Miss Salome Jadjo, Sir Joven, and Sir Ryan Panaligan for the picture taking. And also the presence of Mr. Baknoy. And also our SK chairperson, Miss Marge Sola, and choreographer Mr. Joven Alitao for the picture taking piece. Requesting the presence of SK chairperson Miss Marge Sola to please come on stage for the picture taking. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So we have a last award for our head turner from the LGBT category. Okay, so who do you think is the winner for our head turner from the LGBT category? So, our head turner for the LGBT category is none other than Phoenix Nevermore. Ay, grabe ka mo. Bagay na siya.
Congratulations.
Panawagan ang cellphone ni Phoenix Nevermore.
Okay, so at this point, we are once again requesting all the candidates for Miss Gay 2022 to please come in front of the stage.
For the announcement of the winner. Again, calling on the Miss Gay 2022 candidates to please proceed here on stage for the announcement of winners.
Ang una, Bonsang Madaog. Last call to our Miss Gay 2022 candidates to please come in front of the stage.
Once again, the candidates for Miss Gay 2022, please come on the stage. Thank you.
candidates of Miss Gay 2022, please come in front of stage. And also we are requesting everyone to please go back to your seats muna, guys. Please refrain from walking and looking around the hall as our program is not yet finished.
Last call for Miss Gay Candidates 2022 to please proceed here on stage. Thank you.
Lapit na lang, lapit na lang natapos. Okay, so before we will be announcing the winner for our Miss Gay, there will be like a special award to be given by Mr. Mario Baclay, as he will be the one to choose the winner.
Okay, there will be two awardees. First is the Best Chup-Chup sa debate, and the second one will be the winner. So kung sino ka the winner, automatic sa'yo ng prize. So I've chosen the special debate, Shane Jocate.
So our winner for the Chup Chup debate is Miss Shane Jocade. Congratulations. Please receive your award. Requesting the presence of Miss Christine Toledo, one of the Miss Gay candidates, to please proceed on stage. Again, requesting the presence of Miss Christine Toledo, one of the Miss Gay 2022 candidates, to please proceed on stage for the award.
Now, for the most awaited part, we are going to be awarding the winner for Miss Gay 2022.
Good evening, guys. Sino ay hanap na daw Miss Gay 2022? Shout your bets, Miss! Sino yung bet?
So, the winner for our Miss Gay 2022 is Miss Miss Danica Franco.
Our Miss Gay 2022 winner is Miss Danica Frido, and she will also be receiving the
Which will be awarded by Sir Jordan Anita.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Wala kita pala, come guys.
Congratulations, Miss Danica! Congratulations to Miss Danica Franco for winning our Miss Gay 2022 from our Hilarious Ball.
By the way, for the winner, you will also be receiving a cash prize. So please claim it later on, Mr. Raymond. for convenience. So it seems like there will actually be 3 winners, the second, first, and the winner.
2nd runner-up.
Alright, for our second runner-up, for our Miss Gay 2022 second runner-up, she is none other than Shane Jocades. Congratulations. Please come in front.
You will be receiving a cash prize.
And then for our first runner-up, she is Miss Ashley Nicole Jordan. Congratulations. You will also be receiving a cash prize. And for the winner, she is there, Miss Danica Frico. Congratulations. You will also be receiving a cash prize. Actually, yes. Thank you and congratulations here for your participation.
Congrats, ladies! Congratulations to our winners.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our winners of our Miss Gay 2022. Congratulations once again. And before we end our program,
May I request SK Chairwoman Marge Misola for the closing remarks.
and we are also requesting everyone to please return to your tables. First,
Ining nanito for my
Baka
So,
ako,
sa
March.
naman, madamo salamat sa first ever
Our
na Halako 2022. Sa tanan nga nag-sponsors, especially sa head kids ng Halaribol, Baconoy, Joven, and the rest ng inyong staff. Madamo salamat. Kagawad sa Gawin Radyo, Sir Kenneth, Sir Ryan, Sir, thank you for coming with sa Halagang Ball. And also, as the SK chairperson sa Ginagaran and the American Council, madamo sa hindi ni sini lang adlaw kundi kaluyan dito sa Luzon tuig, mamo ni Japo na matapos. May second goal, correct? So sa tinatanan, Merry Christmas, enjoy the night, and be proud sa self mo. Kay naging instrumento kamo sa Ginoo. So God bless you all and mayong gabi sa tanan.
thank you so much once again. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Then nag-enjoy man ka mo, guys.
Correct or not?
We would like to invite the guests to please come on the stage for the picture taking.
So everyone guys, tanan ka mo dire na stage.
Come on, let's go!
Sigan na rin siya ba?
Ang iba tungkol sa ano? Tungkol.
Ay, bro! Lalagyan na lang!
And also, of course, we would like to thank our sponsors, ang ating mga mayor, councilors, ang barangay captains, ating barangay kagawad, Bacloy, Onloy, and everyone behind this successful event. And I do hope na nag-enjoy yung kamutanan and looking forward to more Christmas presents from you all. Girls, if you have anything you want to say,
Once again, we would like to thank each and every one who has been behind the successful event. It's a pleasure to be one of your hosts for tonight. Thank you.
alright, so I think everyone is excited to masyad na ang party. Once again, we are your hosts. I am Dominic John Lopez.
I am Arabella Delonio. And Ariana Dixon.
Saying the night is young and so are we. Party na kitatinan.
Thank you so much, no? Alam mo sa mata, tugay na ito, Mayor Judith Gallego. Dapat si Mayor Judith Gallego, thank you so much, Mayor. Okay, so, pwede na ka siya.
Pikachu.
Ay, shoutout sa mama ko nga si Willie Jen, kailan taon sa subong. O, pamain na lang na, Dress. Amiga ni Russell yun. Amiga mo sila. Ay, sa amiga, tayo ni Russell.
Russell, kapag JX si Russell,
Sabi na ka ng tawa. Hindi nga mga. Parang ganap. Shoutout na ni Lawrence!
Shoutout sa mga supporters ko.
I can video. Viewers mo lang yun. Videoin ko. You are not allowed. Shout out kay Didisma. Kapugap. Learn! Learn! yan ay kahutay. Shout out na dahil love you, Day. Ay, my God. Dominic, pwede miga mo. Baga, wala na ka ano. Di ba kami kanigin? Hindi. May palit na. Ano na? Mga abag na lang. Ay, ano na? Better yung atras ko din yung. Hello? Yung pangalan na. Yung pinagusto lang sila. Hi, Ken! Hi, Danay sa live. Wala ka ba kami?
Wala ka inch na Okay. Dami, picture ko lang ni Loren sa balya. Picture na ka mo, Ben? Punta na lang dito. Picture din
mother mo, bata mo ba pa?
Thank you. And live na ako.